welcome back to another video. For this video, I'm going to be trying out the new Makartt Life of a Rose Polygel kit. It was sent to me as a PR package. It comes with some pink shades of polygel. In the official kit, it comes with more shades than the two that I showed. It also came with slip solution, top coat and base coat, a nail file, the typical polygel brush, and a small UV lamp. It also came with some dual forms, but I didn't use that for this design. I decided to use some full cover coffin nails that I got from Amazon. To start off this set, and I am using the Lazy Girl method, so I'm starting off by just applying some base coat gel to the inside of each nail, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. After that, I'm going to apply my polygel into the nails and then press it onto my nails. I only applied base coat gel to my natural nails, but if you actually want it to stay on for a few weeks, then you want to make sure that you prep your nails by filing them, putting some primer on it, and then applying the base coat gel. But I only put base coat gel because I just did this for the video. I also did a marble design for some of the nails, so I just took each polygel color and just mixed it together to create a marble effect and then put it into the nails. Being that it's October, I really wanted to do a breast cancer awareness set, and so I felt like the shades in this polygel kit were perfect for that, so that's what inspired this design. After curing all of the nails, I wiped them down with some slip solution to remove the sticky layer, and then I went in with that nail file to just shape up the nails. To apply my bling, I'm going to be using the Nail Couture Gummy Jelly. So the first thing I'm doing is just applying some base coat gel to those nails. And then I'm going to go in with the gummy jelly. I'm going to apply a layer of top coat over that. And then I'm going to place my rhinestones on. And that way I'll still be able to move them around until I cure it in the lamp. Sorry about this part of the video being so dark. This was later on, so the lighting wasn't as good, but I'm just applying the rhinestones in the shape of a ribbon on the middle finger, and then for the pointer finger I'm just going to be applying some pearls and some pink rhinestones, and I'm just going to put that down the center of the nail. And that was pretty much it for this set. The last thing I did was just apply some top coat gel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!